If someone has smashed your Google Pixel lens cover, how do you replace it for under $25? The lens protector is $2.34 plus GST. Postage is $4.49 unless we buy 2 sets of pliers for $23.28 to get free postage. One lens protector, $24.86. How to remove the broken protector. Use a fine scalpel blade. Carefully lift up the broken glass. It is held in place with an adhesive tape. The shards of glass will splinter. Be careful not to scratch the phone. Use tweezers to lift off the adhesive. When all is removed, use some light compressed air to blow the area out. The new protector has adhesive. Line up the protector. It only goes one way up to match the lenses. Peel off the protective coating. Thanks for watching.